Zach, okay?
Cool. Sounds good.
All right.
All right, we got Zach here in the Lamborghini Huracan at Kansas Speedway. I'm Martin. I'll be your instructor.
Nice to meet you.
Did you make it to the classroom?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Go ahead and put your foot on the brake for me. Pull back on that right paddle. Line up right behind the Hellcat there, so you can start rolling down pit road.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to go over those hand signals real quick, just so that we're both on the same page.
Yeah.
What's this one mean?
Stop.
This one?
Pull back.
That'll be lift out of the throttle.
Right.
What's this one?
Coast.
That'll be roll in the throttle.
So sorry.
Just do it nice and smooth. That's why we go over them again.
Yeah.
All right?
It's been like 30 minutes.
What's this one mean?
Accelerate.
So that'll be, you can go as fast as you want to go.
Yep. But they said to go smooth on the...
Yeah, so that's what the roll-on will be, is as we're coming out of the corner, I'll have your roll-on.
Okay, so the roll-on is the smooth 1 second.
Yeah, so that'll be as you're accelerating.
Okay.
And then once we've started rolling, then I'll give you the full throttle.
Okay.
And, when I give you that, still, roll into it nice and gently. So, we've got a couple of pretty high-speed spots that we'll be slowing down from. So if I need more brake out of you, I'll say more brake, more brake. Make sure you give me more brake at that point.
You got it.
Excited?
I am.
Get this
I'll be honest.
or?
So I'm going to be honest with you. I am a touch nervous.
You're the one driving.
I know.
I should be nervous.
That's fair.
You get this for yourself, or
so we're actually my company's got a corporate retreat up here this weekend.
Okay.
And this is part of our team building.
Sweet. Hey, you can't beat this, right?
Oh, right. Yeah, totally. So they called our marketing campaign is Time to Drive.
There you go.
So this is a place to be, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
If we get into a passing situation, I'll get that set up. I'll let you know when and how we're going to do that.
Okay. I'm so sorry. Can you give me the hand signals one more time?
Yep.
Stop.
So brake.
Yep.
That'll be the biggie. This will be lift. So this will be roll on the gas.
Whenever you say lift, that's just lifting my foot off the acceleration?
Yeah.
Or whichever one I'm on?
Exactly.
Okay,
Usually I'll say off the brake if I want you off the brake.
Okay.
But I'll still kind of do the same signal. This will be roll on the gas.
Yep.
And this will be let it rip. Full throttle.
Okay.
As we roll out, just kind of roll real slowly as we go down pit road here. That way we get a nice big gap. We can have fun without having to pass the Charger.
Got it. And I'm Martin, right?
Yep. Go ahead and just coast for me.
Okay.
Out of throttle. The bigger gap we have, the more fun we can have.
Got it.
Ever been on a racetrack?
I have not. This is I've driven by tracks before, but I've never been on one.
Cool.
So yeah.
Can't beat a Lamborghini for the first time.
No. Like they were like you could try the Corvette. I was like I've driven the Corvette.
You can roll on a little bit. Yeah, the Corvette's fun. I got to drive it today for a little bit. So
nice.
We don't have a boring car.
I would imagine not.
All right, as we go through this corner here, stay between those two white lines for me.
Okay.
And then as we get around the corner here, you'll see the orange cone on your side, which is where the orange cone will be on my side, the green cone will be on your side.
Yep, I see it.
And that's where our first turn will be. Roll that throttle a little bit if you like. All right, just a little bit of brake. This corner will sneak up on you when we come around at speed. So, yeah. All right, looking for the orange on your side.
See it.
Rolling a little throttle. Perfect. Looking for that green on my side. Looking for the orange on my side.
Yep.
There will be a green on your side. Once we get around this corner a little ways, you can start rolling that throttle on.
Yep.
Awesome. Looking for an orange down on your side. You can roll that throttle on if you're comfortable. All right, go ahead and give me some brake. Perfect. That orange on your side. Looking for a green on my side. Perfect.
Still don't actually see the green on your side.
Yep, it's coming. It'll be there. Perfect.
Yep,
right
got
there. See that orange on your side?
Yep.
Start rolling your throttle on. Looking for that orange on your side. Lift. Looking for the green on my side.
Yep.
Another green on my side. Then we'll be looking for an orange on my side. Perfect. Good. Give me a little brake. Awesome. Off those brakes. Looking for a green on your side.
I feel like I'm taking this too fast.
No, you're fine, man. We're doing great. All right, roll that throttle on. We'll be looking for an orange down on my side.
Yep.
Roll that throttle on if you're comfortable. Perfect. Go ahead and give me some brake. Give me some brake. Looking for that green on your side. To the green on my side. Perfect. Then we'll start throttling up, looking for the yellow on your side way down there. So rolling that throttle. Rolling that throttle.
Oh my God.
Left, right. Stay on those brakes for me. You're going to go between the two tall green cones. Perfect. Then we're going to cut back your way.
Yep.
Yep, perfect. Roll that throttle on for me. What'd you think of that?
That was pretty damn awesome.
Good.
I love that.
All right, looking for the yellow cones down on my side.
Yep.
Perfect. Go ahead and lift for me. Go ahead and give me some brake. Give me some brake. You're going to stay my side of the first green cone to your side of the second green cone.
Yep. Okay.
Yep, there we go. Perfect. And then we'll start rolling that throttle on and we'll follow those green cones all the way around.
All right.
So rolling that throttle on.
Said to punch it, we're punching it, baby. Oh my God.
Yellow cones to the left. Left, right. Stay on those brakes.
Oh my God.
Stay on those brakes for me.
Yeah.
All right, yep, off the brakes are good. Green cone your side.
Yep.
Perfect. Start rolling a little bit of throttle on, looking for that orange on your side. How was that?
That was something else.
Green my side.
I felt a little out of control.
Hey, we were fine. Orange my side to that green on your side once we get around the corner. Start rolling that throttle on. Perfect. Looking for that orange down on your side. Roll that throttle on if you want. Give me some brake. Perfect. Off those brakes. Orange your side, looking for that green on my side once we get around here.
All right, I remember this part.
Yep, there we go. Orange back on your side. Start rolling that throttle on, nice and easy. Perfect. Lift. Green on my side. My side for the next green. Looking for that orange on my side. Perfect. You're doing fine here. All right, looking for that green on your side. Perfect. Roll a little bit of throttle as we come through here. Awesome. We'll be looking for that orange down on my side. We can roll that throttle on. Great. Orange on my side to that green on your side. To the green on my side. Then we'll be looking for those yellow cones on your side. Let's roll that throttle on. Left. Great. Right off the brakes. We're good. And that green cone your side.
Yep.
Perfect. We'll start rolling that throttle on as we roll around here. Looking for the yellow on my side. Alright, go ahead and lift for me. Perfect. Go ahead and start giving me some brake. Some brake. More brake. Perfect. Green your side. Green my side. There we go. Start rolling that throttle on. We'll follow those green cones to the yellow cone all the way down there.
Yep. Yep.
Left. Right. Off the brakes. Off the brakes. Yep.
Okay.
How was that?
That was good.
Green your side?
I wasn't sure if I was going. Yeah.
Oh, you're good, man. You did good. Orange your side
Yep.
to the green on my side.
So I'm not a total wreck up in here.
Oh no, you're doing great. Orange my side to the green on your side. Start rolling that throttle on. My job is to make sure you have fun. So
Yep. Yep.
looking for that orange on your side. Go ahead and give me some brake. Perfect. Off the brakes. Looking for that green on my side once we get around here. Perfect. Orange on your side. Start rolling that throttle on. Perfect. Orange on your side, the green on mine. Left. Green my side. Green my side. Looking for the orange my side. Good. Give me some brakes. Perfect. Off those brakes. Looking for the green on your side. Awesome. Be looking for the orange down on my side. Let's roll on the throttle. Great. Orange my side to the green on your side. Perfect. Green my side. It'll be looking for the yellow on your side. Roll the throttle on. Hitting in this lap.
Okay.
Looking for the yellow cones on my side. Roll that throttle on.
Yep.
Brake.
Sorry about that one.
No, you're good. Green your side to the green my side. Perfect. And then we'll be looking for those blue cones on your side.
Okay, so we're coming in right now?
Right
okay.
in. Yep. Roll a little bit of throttle. That'll work. There it goes. What'd you think?
Dude, this was awesome.
Good.
I usually don't like, I felt like I was out of control a few times. I usually don't like that, and I loved it.
Good. I'm glad you had fun.
And again, I wasn't just a total wreck up there.
No, man, you did great. You did great.